Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then I create motivational videos for the women who wants to connect back to their divine self-worth and wants to live life from the more softer and receiving side. And if you are the one who wants to connect back to your divine self-worth, then my channel is for you. So, what did I realize? You know, I will share what is true. When I was growing up, I never believed in myself, okay? Like, I never believed in myself that my looks are good, even though when I say all these things, people don't believe in it. That कि ये क्या मुझे भी ये सेल्फ डाउट्स हो सकते हैं बिकॉज मे बी मुझको देख के नहीं लगता होगा बट ट्रस्ट मी आई नेवर बिलीव्ड इन माई लुक्स in myself, in my own abilities. And I always used to copy others. The way they used to dress up, the way they used to walk, the way they used to talk, whatever they used to eat, their choices and everything. And I did not have a strong sense of self. I just did not know myself. I was so detached from myself. My true self was not integrated. So I always used to feel that I am not good enough to be loved. There is something wrong in me, that I do not deserve to receive love, care, compassion, and people including me, celebrating me, thinking about me, noticing my likes, dislikes, noticing my needs and wants, really being there for me, really valuing me, what I bring to the table, and just loving me for who I am and for what I bring in their life, or how I make them feel. I never believed that I am deserving of that kind of closeness and intimacy and love. So I always used to fix myself. Deep down, I felt that, deep down, I believe that if I will put myself first, if I will, receive love, then I will be too needy. And too needy means I am not deserving of love. I am, too needy for me was shameful. I used to feel it in my body. And I used to feel like hiding myself, like I should just return the favor, or I shouldn't have received it. I did something wrong, and I used to overthink so much. Always overthinking, never believing that I am deserving of love, never believing in my own self, never trusting myself, never feeling truly deserving of receiving love the way I am. And I felt that, am I too bad that I'm not deserving of love? Are there so many flaws in me? Why others are loved? Even though they have all the flaws, they are not perfect, still they are loved. Why am I not loved? I just started to feel after some time, like after in 5 6 months, I started to feel that. Earlier I did not feel that. Earlier I felt that I am not like that person. I am not like this person. I do not have that height. I do not have that skin color. I do not have that kind of lips. I do not have that kind of figure, that face. And I started to feel that I am not deserving of love because I am not like them, or I do not have that particular thing in my life, or that particular trait, personality, features, or complexion, or height. Okay. And I started to just hate myself, what I have and what I am. Everything about myself I hated, deeply hated. I hated my height. I always used to tell myself, why am I, just 5 feet? I should have been 5'3", 5'4", 5'9". Okay, why my hands and arms are like that? Why my thighs are like that? Why am I like that? And you see, someone who's growing up with so much self hate and feeling of I don't belong here, nobody wants me, nobody loves me, because there is so much false in me. I am not good enough to be loved. There is so much faults in me, that's why people are not loving me. Then how bad I am, how ugly and how undeserving I am, how many flaws are there in me. I'm truly this horrible and bad person. Am I truly this bad person? एंड देन वो होता है ना कि हर चीज़ का एक एंड होता है कि आप खुद को कब तक ही हेट कर लोगे. देन व्हेन यू नो these days what I have been noticing and realizing that in our society everybody wants to be loved and everybody is chasing after love. Okay, everybody wants it, but yet they do not fully allow themselves to receive it. They are scared of love, and they are constantly telling you that there is something wrong with you, that's why you are not receiving love. There is something wrong with your features, your height, as if love is limited to some people, some traits, or few things, as if love is not for everyone. And how I felt that this awareness came to me when I was allowing myself to just feel the present moment. It was like, I was feeling the air. I know these things are maybe not that, maybe few people are gonna think that what am I talking about, but people who understand and who can relate can actually relate with it, with this. So when I was feeling the air, the water, the stones and everything in the nature, I was like, nature is loving me. Nature chose me, nature created me. There is some power who created me. There is nothing in this universe is by coincidence. I am the part of this greater, larger existence and this universe. Okay? Then why am I hating myself so much? Why am I punishing myself so much? Why am I telling myself all the time that there is something wrong in me, that I am not deserving of love, that I am such a horrible person and I should change myself, and I'm not just being kind to myself? When did I learn all these things? Why do I hate? I have extreme self hatred for myself. Why am I not happy? Because this pattern led me to this pattern where I started to think that if I will become more successful, if I will look more pretty, if I will just look more thin, if I will, do this work, if I will earn XYZ amount of money, if I will start this business, if I will become rich, if I will start, dressing up like this, if I start smelling like this, if I start talking like this, if I start walking like that, if I start to eat like that, if I start to choose things like that, okay, if I start to wear those brands, then I will fit in. Then people are gonna like me. Then people are gonna finally see me. Then people are finally gonna choose me. Then people will think that now she is good enough to be loved. Now we can include her. Now she will not bring any shame. Now we will not feel that, she will bring any shame to us. So, 1 minute. I was like, and I kept on changing myself. I kept on dressing like that, smelling like that, buying things to be accepted, to be loved, choosing those courses, those things, and those places where I felt that if I will go there, if I will start doing that, if I will start speaking like that, if I will start believing like that, if I will become that, if I will agree with that, if I will, look like that and just be like that person, like her, like him, then finally that person will love me. Then finally I will be good enough to be loved. Then finally, I will be good enough to be chosen. Then finally, I will be good enough to be included. Then finally, I will be good enough to finally be appreciated, to be seen. Then finally, I will be good enough uh, to be seen, to be respected. And deep down, you think from wherever it is coming from the lack that I am not good enough. And no matter whatever I'm changing in my physical reality, in my outer reality, in my outer layer, the results were same. Deep down, I was not happy. I was still not seen, not loved, not fully received, okay, not fully mirrored the love back, not fully appreciated, not fully loved, not fully respected, not fully included. And I felt after everything that I did, okay, after all the work, the inner work, everything that I did, I'm still not loved. Then how bad I am? I'm still not loved. And why am I not loved? Am I so bad? And then today, when I was working out in the gym, I was like, I kept on dressing up, smelling like that, choosing things, changing things in my outer physical reality about myself from the place of I am not good enough, from the place of lack, from the place of I'm not loved, from the place of grief, the sadness. And I don't hate myself for that. I don't hate myself that I did that. I totally understand. I get my inner child. But for the first time, I was able to see myself in the mirror. That Priyanka, you are changing everything into your outer reality, everything. Even though when I'm posting a picture on my social media, my validation is coming from the outer world, from people. If X amount of people did not like my post or my story, then I used to start feeling that did I post something wrong? Was I not good enough? Was the was content was the content not good? I shouldn't have posted that. Maybe this was not good. So I was too fixated on the outer world and the outer validation which was coming from the people. I was seeking and seeking and seeking. Ki finally see me, see me, see me. Finally choose me, finally love me, finally respect me, finally see that how knowledgeable I am, how evolved I am, how much I'm working on myself, how much I know about all these things. 1 minute. Look at me, I have changed. Don't you respect me now? क्या अब मुझसे कुछ सीखना नहीं चाहते हो? So even though I was doing all these things, I was not happy. I was like, I'm doing everything right. I'm working on myself. I'm on my on my healing journey. Why am I not happy? Then the answer came from inside that Priyanka, whatever you are not doing because you love yourself. You are doing because you hate yourself. You hate your true self. Okay, you feel that your true self is not good enough. And my wounded masculine was like seeking and seeking by doing, by pleasing others. And my wounded feminine was like feeling ashamed of herself, her true self, not feeling good enough, doubting herself. Okay, punishing herself, suppressing herself. And then I realized today that I am wearing clothes, I am coming to the gym, I am wearing perfume, I am wearing makeup, I am doing everything right. I am going to this cafe, I am doing this, I am posting this, I am making the content. From which place is it coming? Do I really want this to my reality where I'm only seeking? I'm only waiting. I'm not really choosing myself. I'm feeling anxious. क्या उसने मुझे देखा? क्या उसने मेरी तारीफ़ की? क्या उसको मेरी परफ्यूम की स्मेल आई? क्या मैं इस रेस्टोरेंट में जा रही हूँ? क्या उसे पता था कि मैं इतने अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में गई, होटल में गई? उनको पता होना चाहिए कि मैं इतना अर्न कर रही हूँ, मैं लाइफ में इतना हील हो रही हूँ, मैं इतना आगे बढ़ रही हूँ, मैं ये चूज़ कर रही हूँ, उन्हें पता होना चाहिए कि मैं कितनी इवॉल्व्ड हूँ, देखो. देन आई वॉज लाइक ओके, आई वॉज जस्ट लिसनिंग टू माई सेल्फ एंड देन आई वॉज लाइक ओके, आई एम सीकिंग, आई एम स्टिल सीकिंग. I am not accepting myself. I am just seeking. And I feel that I am not good enough. And most of us as a women, we do that. Okay, we look, even though we are looking amazing and we look perfect and we smell good, we are wearing good brands and good clothes, and we are doing amazing work and we have amazing job and we are earning well. But most of the time we need to ask ourselves that is it coming from the place of self-love or is it coming from the place of burden, responsibilities, or feeling that I am not good enough? Because in my reality, whatever shifts I was making, even though if I am sitting on the table and sipping the tea, I was like, क्या किसी ने मुझे देखा कि मैं कितनी कामली बैठी हुई हूँ? क्या किसी को दिख रहा है कि मुझे किसी और की नीड नहीं है? क्या किसी ने नोटिस किया कि मैं अपने आप में कितनी कंटेंट हूँ? यू सी, even though I'm doing the right thing, it is still coming from the place of I am, people should see me seeking, wanting, needing this energy from the outer world. You give me this validation, then only I will feel happy. एंड वो कब तक रहेगा? एनर्जी अगर किसी के पास से मेरे पास आ रही है तो वो वापस भी जाएगी एंड फिर मैं लैक फील करूँगी और फिर मुझे वो कहीं और से चाहिए होगी. एंड जैसे ही वो एनर्जी ख़त्म हो जाएगी फिर मुझे कहीं और से चाहिए होगी, क्योंकि अपने आप में मैं इनकम्प्लीट फील कर रही हूँ. तो खुद को कंप्लीट करने के लिए मुझे कॉन्स्टेंटली बाहर से वो प्लग इन करना है. मुझे मेरी बैटरी चार्ज करो, मेरी बैटरी ख़त्म हो रही है. ओके, then I started to feel the root cause of my sadness, that okay, I have deep self-hatred for myself and I truly don't believe in myself. I have very low sense of self and my self-worth is not that good. My self-esteem is very low. I'm constantly seeking things from the people. Then since yesterday, I made one shift where whenever I'm wearing something, doing something, buying something, I'm asking myself, am I doing it to seek validation again? Because I feel that I am not deserving of love because I hate myself? Or am I doing this because I truly love myself? Because I truly want to tell myself that I deserve this. I deserve this luxury, this comfort, and looking good, smelling good, wearing good clothes. Am I really doing it from the place of love? Then what I felt this sense of calm in me. Earlier I used to feel anxious कि अगर मुझे validation नहीं मिला then I will feel that I am not good enough. I felt this sense of calm because I felt, different type of happiness in me and contentment बोलते हैं ना. I felt content. I was not scanning people looking out for the validation. I was in my body present. and I felt different type of acceptance for myself, different type of self love, where I paused, where I do not feel like that I have to make X amount of money, I have to just open this business tomorrow only, I have to, work out to look extremely slim or thin. Otherwise, people are not gonna get inspired by me, then I will lose the validation. If people are not constantly inspired by me, then I will lose the attention and the form and the kind of validation I was seeking from this kind of identity. I felt this calm, that I feel like I do not want to become anything, I do not want to chase anything, I do not want to prove myself to anyone, I do not want to show what I'm earning, what I'm doing. I just do not want to do anything, because I feel that I am not good enough to be loved and I feel incomplete within myself. And I feel that, if I will not constantly do this flashy things, not buy these flashy things, not post these flashy things, if I will not stimulate myself with all these things, then I am nothing. Because every time I bought something, there was always something else. Okay, I bought this chips, now I want this, now I bought this cloth, now I want that cloth, now I bought this brand, now I want that brand. And it was not stopping. And then I was like, am I really buying all these things because I need them, or I am buying all these things because of all these things, with the help of all these things, I am feeling that I am good enough because I'm dressing in a certain way, which is inspiring people, and I'm getting validation out of that. I just felt exhausted. I was like, I'm too exhausted. I do not want to do this anymore. One minute. I felt exhausted in a way where I was like, I'm just done seeking. I just can't do this anymore. And I think अभी मैं clear नहीं दिख रही हूँ अब. 1 minute. अभी ऐसा ही है, अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So yeah, I just felt that I can't do this anymore. I just can't do this anymore at all. I am done changing myself, molding myself, hating myself so much. Even though I'm not able to believe right now that I'm deserving of love the way I am 100%, but at least awareness came. I can pause every time I'm feeling like rushed to do something to seek validation. I can pause and ask myself, am I really doing this because I really want to do this? Because my heart and soul really desire this. I really want to do this for, to fulfill my own soul's calling. Or am I just doing it because it's the next project which will give me validation, respect, and belonging? Because deep down, I feel that, I'm not good enough. I was like, I am done hating myself. I am done hating what I have right now into my reality. And I am done telling myself every time that I am not deserving of love. I am not deserving of love. And I just told myself that, what I'm sharing with you also, that tell yourself that you are deserving of love the way you are. You don't have to change anything about yourself in order to receive love. Just take An example, there is a newborn baby. अभी अभी उसका जन्म हुआ है, just right now. Are you gonna tell that baby that your eyes is not good, your complexion is not good? There are people who say that. जस्ट अभी हाथ में आया है और वो बोलना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, इसकी नोज़ अच्छी नहीं है, इसकी आइज़ अच्छी नहीं है, इसके लिप्स अच्छे नहीं है, इसका मुंह अच्छा नहीं है, इसका कॉम्प्लेक्शन अच्छा नहीं है, ये जिस दिन हुआ है वो दिन अच्छा नहीं है, दिस चाइल्ड इज़ अ बैड लक, इसकी एनर्जीज अच्छी नहीं है. ओके, people start sending so much negativity and hate towards that newborn child. And imagine the kind of with the kind of narrative that child will grow up. So think about yourself as that newborn child. Are you going to tell that child if imagine yourself as newborn, just born 1 minute ago? Are you going to tell yourself that your eyes is not good, your lips are not good, your height is not good, your arms are not good, your thighs are not good, your body is not good, your hair is not good, your complexion is not good, the way you are crying is too much, the way you are needing milk is too much, the way you want mother to be with you is too much, you are too needy, the way you want your father to protect you, to hold you, to be there for you is too much, you are not understanding. You should understand. You should think about others also. You are too selfish. Are you going to tell all these things to the child? Are you going to treat child like that? Is child going to understand all these things? Is child understanding? Child is understanding through your energies. And his subconscious or her subconscious is recording everything. Okay, and seeing everything. And see if your inner child have these type of narratives, these types of words, these type of frequencies and energies inside of you, then what will you feel about yourself and think about yourself, which type of people you will attract into your life, and how exhausted you will feel, unhappy you will feel in your life, because your whole life is all about proving yourself that you are good enough to be loved. Changing yourself to prove that now finally you are good enough to be loved. That's why we don't feel happy. We don't feel content. We don't feel relaxed. Because we are constantly chasing something. And that chasing is, I'm not good enough to be loved. We constantly keep on doing things which we do not want to do, which we do not love, and we turn all those things in hate. After some time, we start to hate those things. We are like, I'm not enjoying it, but I still have to do it. Even though you love it, but because your identity is built on only doing that and seeking validation, approval, respect, praise, admiration, you will feel threatened. The moment someone else will be praised, recognized, respected more, or loved more, seen more, you will feel unsafe. You will start to hate that person. You will start to feel jealous towards that person. You will start to feel bad, which is okay. Because deep down you feel scared. Your inner child is scared that your inner child never had that kind of safety net where she felt like, even though others are loved, I am not replaced. The love will not be taken away from me. I will be seen. My needs will be seen. My needs will be met. I will be loved. People will show up for me. They really want me. They are happy that I am in their life. Maybe she did not have this kind of safety in her life, that what I want always comes to me. I never have to struggle for what I really want. you know, my needs are not too much. People love showing up for me, people love being there for me, people love truly seeing me, truly accepting me for who I am. Maybe she did not have that. That's why she is still chasing, she still gets jealous, she still feels unsafe, she still feel that love will be taken away from her, because I was there. I felt all these emotion and I still struggle with these things. But I'm working on these things. I'm constantly, after whatever shifted in 2 3 days for me, I feel the sense of calm, because somewhere I've started to see her. I have started to talk to her. I've started to not push her to do anything which she really do not want to do. I started to not tell her that I will be like that, or you have to do this, because you know you are not good enough to receive love the way you are, so do this. This will give you love. If you are also in this dilemma, in this sense of sadness, not sense of sadness, in this kind of grief and sadness and self hatred, then I really hope that my video helps you. On this note, I will complete my video here, and I will see you all guys in my next and I will see you all guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, I love you all.